was an inspiration to them too. Okay, first question, naka-screenshot po to. From the main office ba ito, ma'am? Oh, from the main office. Alright. Sige sir, isang question lang po. How was the support of Synergy to you as a captain? How was the support? Pag-support ba? Overall support. Ano po yung mga support na binigay sa'yo or in-extend sa inyo ng Synergy?
Okay. Regarding the support from the company, actually this is my first time with the Synergy also. But I've been to different companies already. I think this is my 8th. Yeah. Beside from being Enterprise of Excellence Competencies Company. 24 hours, I don't have any problem with them. I could call them, I could ask assistance in this regard, or it doesn't matter what nationality we are. Just give them a phone, a call, and I could say that 100% or maybe 101% this Synergy is giving their throughout support. Yeah, and for those who are new in this company, I could say that we have a bright future here, and I could guarantee that the Synergy you have, long. It could give you a good career. Yeah, I want just to say it's not about the money. Yeah. But here, I feel not only for the career, but also as a family-oriented company.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, Captain Raymond Sumbang. Thank you so much. Yes, salamat po sa pag-share.